How to turn off comments on Instagram post. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to turn off comments on Instagram post. Now let's get started. First we need to open our Instagram app. Then we need to open our profile and click on post that you would like to turn off comments. Now we should just tap on three dots at the top right corner. In appearance menu we should choose option turn off commenting. And now no one can leave a comment below your post. Also we can do the same while creating post. We need to go back and go to the main feed. Then we need to tap on the plus at the top and choose post. Now we need to choose photo or video that you would like to share with your followers. For example, I will choose this one. Then we should tap next at the top right corner. Now you can do some editing and then tap next at the top right corner again. Now we need to find option advanced settings at the bottom and we should click on it. In appearance menu we see option turn off commenting and we need to switch this option on. Then just go back and tap on share at the top right corner. And that's all. It was how to turn off comments on Instagram post. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.